In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order in Zoho Books. Let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is enable sales orders in your Zoho Books account. Start by navigating to the top right corner and clicking on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for General, which is under Preferences. It's important to make sure that the Sales Orders option is checked. You'll see a box next to Sales Orders. Click to check it, ensuring it's activated. Once that is done, remember to click Save to apply your changes. This simple action will enable you to start creating sales orders. Now that sales orders are enabled, let's move on to creating a new sales order. You'll first need to navigate to the Sales section. Once there, select Sales Orders. To begin entering a new order, you'll click on the plus New button. This is where you will fill in all the necessary details for your sales order. Start with the customer information. You can choose an existing customer if they are already in your system. If not, Zoho Books allows you to add a new customer easily right from this page. Next, you'll need to enter details about the items in the order. Use the product name dropdown to search for and select the items you need. For each item, specify the quantity and other pertinent details such as tax, shipping, and any discounts that may apply. If your order includes multiple products, you can easily add more product lines by clicking on plus Add Row. This feature is particularly helpful for managing larger orders with multiple items. Additionally, you may want to include other important details in your sales order. This could include specifying the expected shipment date, adding any relevant notes, and outlining the terms and conditions related to this particular sale. These details are not only helpful for your records, but also help in managing customer expectations and ensuring clarity in the sales process. This is how you gather and input all the necessary information for a complete sales order in Zoho Books. Once you've filled out all the fields and ensured everything is accurate, you're ready to finalize your sales order. Review everything one more time to make sure all the information is correct and complete. Then click on Save or Finalize to complete the process. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a sales order in Zoho Books. Remember, being thorough and accurate with every detail is key to making effective sales orders that meet both your needs and those of your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.